Hi, I'm Christina and I'm an educator here at the Raspberry Pi Foundation.
Computers run everything in your home, from your car to your fridge to the device you're watching this video on.
Code helps keep all these devices running.
And young people can get really creative while coding real-world projects for their daily lives. Digital Making at Home, our weekly live stream, helps you and your family explore creating with code, have fun, and build your skills. We invite you to join us every week for live, educator-led, creative activities. We'll show you how to use coding to explore the world around you, from art to sports to nature and even outer space. And you can join in as we talk with some really cool tech creators, both young and old. You can join us on Digital Making at Home every week to chat with us live on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and Twitch, or watch later.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay connected with us. We can't wait to create with you. Bye!